Hi Sagittarius, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. It's a mid-month reading for the month of May 2021. Okay, Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Wow, Sagittarius, such straightforward energies. I feel you are reaching an end of a cycle and beginning a new one. Probably there were some people who were deceptive in your life and they let you down. But now you're getting over it, and it could be in a business partnership or a romantic relationship. Whatever it was, these people were only here to use you, and I don't think they really cared about whether you whether you would get hurt, or they did not, letting you down did not matter to them, is what I'm getting here. Sagittarius, I also see that you guys are working on your money, on your financial stability. You're working on your passions, and you're a solo traveler, is what I'm getting over here. Right now, I don't see any inclination towards love, any kind of romantic inclinations. You are manifesting a great life for yourself, Sagittarius. You are thinking from your head, and there's no place for emotions as of now. Probably in the recent past, you dealt with somebody who, you know, played around with your feelings or let you down in a manner that you no longer trust anyone, which is sad. But sometimes in order to in order for us to come back into onto our path, life throws us down and we hit rock bottom. But the trick is to come back up stronger than we were. You need to walk away from something which is not serving you anymore. And the moment you walk away from that person or that feeling or that place, workplace, residence, anything that has been holding you back, you are going to be walking towards your wish fulfillment. So far, you felt lost, and people who betray you make you feel unworthy of love. But don't worry, have patience. Your ships are coming. You are working towards something, and suddenly you will reap all the fruit of your hard labor, and you'll just be very happy, Sagittarius. Trust me. Just keep your eyes on the prize and be careful of people who sweet talk you into things that um, are not of your highest good. Also, Sagittarius, if you have to be alone, okay? Heal yourself and keep working on your dreams, because I have a feeling that there are people around you who want to take you for a ride because they see the potential that you have, and everyone wants a piece of it. So please be careful about those energies. And if you don't know how to differentiate between those who truly care and who don't, just stay away from everyone. That's like the safest thing you can do. Wow, look at this card. You're moving. I see a lot of movement happening. Either you guys are moving onto a spiritual journey, or you're moving physically to new places, to new things, to new people, probably. But wherever you're moving is where your wishes lie. You know, whatever you have wanted to manifest is on its way to you, and you are on your way to it. Meditation brings you answers. Some of you probably, after whatever happened in your past, you want to seek solace when it comes to spirituality. You want to be in the presence of spiritual masters, or surround yourself with books that are about spirituality, self help, whatever it is, that is your answer. Because the moment you manifest, the moment you meditate and you center yourself, is when you manifest what you truly want, Sagittarius. Work through your fears. A new start is coming. Confidence is your key to success. Bring love into the situation. Meditate and contemplate. 2 cards about meditation. A fiery climax approaches. That was at the bottom of this deck, in case you were wondering. So these are your cards. I pull out one last message for you. When I lean towards love, I am led. Bring love into the situation. So yeah, the best thing to do is, if you have a pet or if you like doing something like a hobby, like driving or anything, any kind of hobby, when you do that, you automatically feel the love towards it. If you have a pet, if you like gardening, if you want to be a nature photographer, you automatically feel that love towards it, right? So do things that make you feel in your element, be in your element, so that you can manifest faster and heal faster. Sagittarius, I hope this reading resonated with you. This is all that I have for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.